Hey everyone, welcome back to Brie's Pastry House. If you're new here, I'm Brie, a pastry student and future pastry shop owner. And today I'm so excited to share this rich, silky chocolate dessert with you. This recipe is smooth, decadent, and made with simple ingredients, but the flavor feels so luxurious. Let's get started. Recipe process. First, gently heat your coconut cream. You want it hot just before it reaches a boil. Don't let it fully boil. Once it's hot, pour the cream over your dark chocolate and let it sit undisturbed for about 5 minutes. Aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas. Vanilla extract. Xanthan gum. Granulated sugar. For this recipe, we're using dark chocolate, 58 to 60%, coconut cream, canned. This allows the chocolate to melt slowly and evenly. After 5 minutes, stir until smooth and glossy. The texture should be silky and rich. Now let the chocolate mixture cool slightly. It shouldn't be hot when we combine it with the aquafaba. We want it cooled so it blends properly without deflating the air. In a separate bowl, whip your aquafaba with granulated sugar until it becomes light and fluffy, forming soft peaks. This is what gives the dessert its airy texture. Add a small pinch of xanthan gum to help stabilize the mixture and keep it smooth. Finally, gently fold the cooled chocolate mixture into the whipped aquafaba. Take your time here. Fold slowly to keep as much air as possible in the mixture. Once fully combined, your mousse should be light, creamy, and beautifully smooth. And that's it. A simple yet elegant chocolate dessert that feels bakery quality I love. recipes like this because they show how a few ingredients can create something truly special. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Brie's Pastry House for more pastry creations and sweet inspirations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.